Okay.
Well, hi guys.
Hi guys, welcome my family vlog.
Yes.
Hi, welcome our vlog.
Yes, our vlog.
Yung
So
completor
our
niyan.
today's vlog is about what's this?
Oh
Yeah.
Nice.
So,
Do you have an idea what we're gonna do?
hey, wait, introduce yourself.
Okay, introduce yourself. What's
What?
your name?
My name is Vlog.
Bro.
No, your
No,
name. What is your
be
name?
serious.
Be serious. Don't joke.
What's your name?
My name is on Sweet.
Yeah.
Very good.
How
Okay.
old are you? How old are you?
How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
Okay.
Nice. Okay, so we're going to start the Oreo challenge sa kay Alina.
Yeah.
So, mag-start na tayo, guys. Ito-try natin kung magbibigay ba si Alina. Kasi, guys, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, favorite po talaga ni Alina ang
Yes,
Oreo.
lalo na yung sa
Halos
gitna.
everyday, no?
Yeah, lalo na yung sa gitna.
Oh, sa gitna talaga favorite niya yun. Okay, so
Check
let's
our
start.
plate. Okay.
Diyan mo na lang yung mic karo mo.
Let's open the daddy's plate. Okay. Remove the paper.
1, 2,
3.
Go.
Okay, start. 1. Open this. Open it.
You
No, no, stand up.
stand.
Look the daddy's plate.
Okay, so let's count.
1,
2,
3.
Go. Oh, yes,
I have
Daddy,
Oreo.
have an
Right.
Oreo.
I have Oreo. Okay, yours.
Are you happy Daddy has an Oreo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Nice.
let's open
How
your
about
plate.
you?
Okay,
1,
count. 1,
2,
3. Wow, you have
Wow, you
2
have two
Oreo. Okay,
Are you
let's
happy?
Yeah.
happy.
Oy.
Okay,
So hold
let's
mommy,
check
let's
mommy. Oh no.
Oy.
Oh no, what will you do, mommy? No Oreo.
What should I feel? Sad or happy?
Sad.
Oy.
Oh, what you should do?
Daddy has one.
I have Oreo.
You have two. Mommy don't
Mommy
have.
don't have. Wow!
Yay!
Yes! Oh, you eat now?
Lalo nakaka-touch pala talaga siya.
You love mommy? You love mommy? You love mommy?
Lalo nakaka-touch pala siya. Ano ba yan?
Good girl. Alina
You're
is?
so smart. You know that?
Alina is?
Good.
Yeah, kumakain kasi hindi makapagsalita.
And how about mommy? Are we happy now? Yeah. Thank you so
You love mommy?
much.
I mean, good.
Oh, favorite yan talaga.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow. Thank you, baby.
Kiss mommy.
Kiss mommy. Thank you for sharing your Oreo.
Kiss mommy, kiss mommy. Ako, nagugulo na yung dalawa. Dito na sila.
Pawis ka. Masya Allah, guys. Guys, try nyo to sa mga anak nyo. Parang iba pala yung feeling. Parang ano, no?
Nakaka-touch.
Hindi kasi, favorite kasi ni Alina. So, iniisip ko, hindi siya magbibigay. Pero ang galing. Alam niya yung mga ano dapat niyang gawin.
Yes.
Anak, apir, mami. High five. Yes.
Always share your blessings, okay?
Your food.
Food.
Okay, so what you should do to your audience?
Say thank you, guys.
Thank you guys. Goodbye.
Say thank you, guys.
Thank you guys. Goodbye.
You want this also?
Hindi, amin, si Ayla.
Si Ayla. Sige, try natin si Ayla.
Okay, Ayla. It's
your
Ayla
time.
time. Okay, you're done. Alina.
Yay!